If you like my videos, please subscribe, please put a like, and please ring that bell. Ring the bell. Okay. Hi people, this is Nettie again. Okay, I wanted to show you this. Look how gorgeous it is. This is wood chips. Yeah. You know the tree that fell in Maria? That the municipality never came to help us? Yeah, that's the same one, the biggie. We've been cutting it as we have to let it rot because the tree is too thick. It's not original from Puerto Rico, from when they came to see it. You know, look at it. And they were supposed to bring a certain equipment, special saw, a professional one. Not the ones that they sell, you know, in the stores and stuff like that. That's the one that my husband has, is the little one. And we have to wait for it to rot, and then we could use it to cut it. So what happens? A lot of these things flies all over the floor. So I decided to pick it up because my tomato died, but it was because it didn't, you know, when the winter came, it came pretty chilly. Not freezing, you know, like you're going to freeze to death, but it was pretty cold. You had to put sweaters and you still would get kind of cold. So I picked this to help it warm it up a little bit. They look so pretty with this thing on it. I'm going to put some in this plant. This plant, I don't know the name of it, but they told me this is the same, how you call it? It's from the family of the soursop. That's why they look so much alike. I don't know. I told my mom, maybe this is soursop, because it looks just like the other one I got, the biggie. Okay, this is our giant soursop. It goes all the way down, all the way down, all the way down, until it gets into this canister. I don't know if it broke the canister or what, but it is growing like crazy. It loves the really cool weather. So we cut it last week. We cut all these tips out, and it just grew right back up. You know, the ones that were smaller, they just grew up. So I guess this weekend we probably cut these two stems, especially this one and that one. You know, so it doesn't grow so high. So that's one of them that I have. You know, it's beautiful, and it looks the same. If you look at the leaves, let me see if I could get a leaf. Oh my God! You see, the leaf looks the same. And when they were growing, they had those. Oh, right there, it has the dots. I don't know if you could see it. It has the same dots as they got, as this one has. So I think that what I have is a soursop, and she thought that it was something else. Don't know. So I'll be finding out. So let me show you how beautiful the tomato looks. Okay, so these are my tomato. Yeah, but these are the baby first ones, and that's a basil and two different type of tomatoes. I have two coming up this way, and as you can see, I have it tied up. I don't know if you can see it there, right there. They're starting to grow. I put them late this summer because the other one died in June, so by July they were starting to grow, and I used the same seeds. These two are from the same seeds. You see they're all weaky, but then when they grow up and they start throwing out their, how you call it, their fruit, it starts getting thick. So, and these two are new ones. These are store-bought. This one is smaller because I tried to plant it in there and I broke its roots, you know. So I put it back in the water and, how you call it, I put it back in the water. It gave new fruits, new roots, and I put it back. That's how I did it. I love this system. It looks decorative. That's what exactly the word I wanted to say. It looks decorative. So, you know, the tomatoes don't like too much the cold weather. So I have to protect them, and I put all around. Last year, I made, if you see my old videos about the tomatoes, I had 3 in here, in this little canister. Yes, right here. Okay, I want to show you my tomato in this little jungle right there, right there. You got some more over here. You got a lot of flowers over here. There's 3 plants right here in that little canister. There you can see my, let me see if I can pull this a little bit. Hold on. As you can see, there is a little canister, one on top of another. So naturally, I have to put a gallon of water a day in order to keep the inrots out. 3 of them, and they gave so much tomatoes. You know what I do? I roll it up I don't want you. I'm doing it sideways because I don't want you to see my clothes. How you call it? I roll it up, threw it through here. Well, you see a piece of the clothes there. There's a yellow towel, and it goes out, and then it comes back down like this. And I will leave it to a little bit upper from the ground. I will cut it, and it gave out so much tomatoes. It gave out a lot of leaves also. I had to go like every 2-3 days to cut down the leaves, so they could have all the sun that comes that summer, with sunny. They would go through there and warm them up. So it gave a lot. I gave a lot of tomatoes also, because I don't eat that. I'm not gonna eat all that tomatoes. But it was fun. So now I want to do those 2 tomatoes, and I made this one. I put this one later. Why? Okay. This is the basil. This is the one that I store bought, and this one. They 2 are the same. They're from the same seed. What I do is that when I do it home, store bought. I open it. I take a spoon, and if I want just 2 seeds, I just take 2 seeds. I put 3 here, but 1 died. Because I just want to make sure that there was how you call it, that there will be 2 of them. Mainly that's what I want to show you. And this wood chip is from I don't know if I mentioned it, but the big tree that fell as they were cutting, it was drifting pieces, because we leaving it to get rotted, and then we be cutting it down. So because we don't have an industrial cut, how you call it, saw, and they charge him a lot to cut it down. So I might as well just leave it there because I ain't got the money. So anyway, I want to just say that. God bless you all. Until next time. Okay, and remember, please subscribe and like and hit the bell. That's what it is, the bell. God bless you.